Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the second video of today. Now, as I was talking about in this morning's video, Bitcoin is at a critical level, and I'll tell you why, guys. First off, as I said, I did put in a long position at 48k, but guys, that's a huge risk. Please don't follow me on that, because if this 48k level range, well, it's not exactly to the dollar, 48 grand, but what I'm trying to say is if this $48,000 range doesn't hold, there's a very big possibility that it can fall all the way down to $43,000. And yes, if that happens, it's not going to be good. But guys, first off, let me say two things. First thing is that even if we fall down to $43,000, the bear trend, the overall bear trend isn't over, so take that in mind. And if we do fall below $43,000, that's when I might actually consider thinking that the bull market could potentially be over, this bull market. So this is something I just want to make clear. So right now I'm not bearish. Of course, in the short term things are not looking great, especially as I said, if you zoom out to the daily chart. But another thing is, guys, we're actually testing the 100 EMA, so we have to see. Just a second. So we have to see how we close, if we can hold above the 100 EMA, the 100 EMA. So hopefully, let's hope that Bitcoin will close above it. So if we do close above it, it could be a good sign, because obviously in a bull market, in general in markets, they like to test important moving averages. So if it goes down and tests the 100 moving average and 100-day moving average, and if it holds and shows that it supports, then potentially it could be a nice entry point for, you know, for people that want to buy in. But guys, sorry, I'm just trying to park it and I am videoing, but let me ask, right guys, why did Bitcoin crash? So what's the reason? Why did Bitcoin come down? So there are, of course, a number of reasons, but the main reason is, if you guys are not aware, the stock market actually had a nice drop yesterday, and the reason for that is because Joe Biden decided to change the tax rules, basically increase tax on basically investors, and that obviously affected the markets, and the stock markets did actually fall quite a bit. In fact, actually yesterday in the morning, most of my shares opened up in a nice green, but as soon as this announcement was made, boom, everything kind of dropped a bit. So another critical point is we have to wait and see how the stock market opens up today, because in a few hours, 2:30 here in the UK, the stock market opens. And now if we open and start dropping badly, then I believe this 48k level won't hold for Bitcoin. So it all really depends, in my opinion. As I've always been telling you, it does. I know Bitcoin is Bitcoin, crypto is crypto, but at the end of the day is that the stock markets and Bitcoin or crypto do correlate. If one dumps massively, the other one, I mean, if the stock markets dump massively, Bitcoin is going to have some effect to it, especially the initial move. So the big dump, the first, initial time as that happens, if that makes sense. So we have to wait and see how the stock market opens today and performs, because if it's going to open and start dumping, I believe the 48k level with Bitcoin won't hold, and potentially we could go down to $43,000. And yes guys, this is what I am looking at this moment. Now, as I said, some altcoins will pop. Guys, you got to be patient. I don't trade altcoins. Altcoins are too risky to trade. Even Bitcoin is extremely risky to trade, but altcoins are even worse, because obviously percentage wise they move much more. And even if you do very small leverage trades with altcoins, it's playing with fire, guys. So I don't do that. Altcoins are something you buy and hold. Now, I actually am looking to accumulate potentially some more altcoins. I want to wait and see how the market opens today, the stock market. So if we have a further drop, I might decide to buy some things. Now, of course, on the other hand, guys, I don't know if you guys watch all my videos, but 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did make a video saying that I am selling some of my altcoins. And to be fair, I am happy I've done that. Well, I've done that, as I said on that video, because some of the altcoins I had, I was basically in massive profits, that it was just crazy for me not to sell at that point. And I'm happy I've done that. I didn't sell everything, guys. I sold a few things, as I said on that video, but now potentially I might look to reaccumulate some if you know, depending on the situation. But also, guys, I don't just buy random altcoins. I like to buy altcoins that have fundamental values behind it and projects that I see or believe it could be successful even in a bear market. So this is something to consider. And also, of course, as always, when Bitcoin falls heavily and then kind of moves sideways, usually what happens is usually the altcoins are the ones that pump. So, you know, it's all about the dominance, as I've explained many times before. But guys, this is a update from obviously my second video for today. This is what I am looking at. I'm waiting for the stock market open. And yeah, this is more or less it, guys. So as I said, I did put in a long position at 48k. It's extremely risky, guys. Don't follow me, because that could easily, I mean, if Bitcoin falls down to 43k, that trade is gone, liquidated. So or well, my stop loss will be hit. So basically I will have a loss on that. So this is why you should never follow me. And of course, the best way, to be fair, the best way and the easiest way is to just buy. I mean, obviously buy the dips. You don't want to buy when the prices are pumped. People always ask me, when the price is pumping like mad, where can I buy Bitcoin? But right now, when the prices are falling, these people are not there to buy. These people only want to buy the pumps. And this is what I keep telling people. You don't want to buy the pumps, you want to buy the dumps. You need patience, you need to buy, hold, and patience. And that's the way to go. And if you want to take advantage of those dips, check out the link in my description. The link in my description to Swissberg. It's one of the best exchanges I like to use for buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and a couple of other coins, because they have extremely low fees. And if you go through my referral link, you can get up to 100 euros free. And it's way cheaper than Coinbase. So just a quick note there. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.